In today's video, we will learn and explore the idiom in a huff, including its meaning. We'll also practice using it in sentences to see how it can be applied in different contexts. In a huff means being in a state of annoyance or anger, often leading someone to react abruptly, such as leaving a conversation or situation suddenly. It conveys a sense of irritation or displeasure in response to something said or done. Let's look at some examples over here. She went off in a huff. Why are you always in a huff? Upset. The discussion heated up, and he walked off in a huff. She is very short-tempered. Don't talk to her like that, or she will leave the house in a huff. At least listen to what I had to say. You suddenly took offense and hung up the phone in a huff. He walked out of the meeting in a huff. Friends were just joking around, but he took it seriously and left in a huff. Since when did he start leaving in a huff? He might make any decision in a huff when he's angry. He took such a drastic step in a huff due to his anger. There is no need to huff and puff. Huff and puff means for the act of breathing heavily or with effort, or for the context of being angry or frustrated and reacting with heavy breathing or agitation. He was huffing and puffing after climbing the stairs. She was huffing and puffing with frustration after the argument.